Hello, my name is Tamera Guilinger. I am from Elgin, Illinois. I am on Drone Command Live. I'm getting ready to retire as a union carpenter, 31 years, and I'm looking to find something that will supplement my income when I do retire. As a union carpenter, we sign an agreement not to work as a carpenter, so this is a field that I feel that will be able to help supplement my income and give me the life that I want. My spouse has been diagnosed with some physical issues, and I think this is going to be something that's going to be able to help take us into the future and live the life that we need. So, having said that, you're going to get the bread and butter, the nuts and bolts of what having a business as a drone operator, or however you want to define it, is for you. You've already got a proven track record of people that can do it. The rest is up to you. It's all about the hustle and getting out there and figuring out which industry you want to be in. So, yeah, I would definitely have people recommend this to people and have them come to this event and see what it's all about. Valuable lessons I learned to be able to be ready. That I'm not a lone ranger, that there's a whole group of people behind me that will help and assist. So how would I describe Damon and Diego? Energetic, bar none, very enthusiastic about their product, and sounds like they're mentors and will be there for you. Please give it consideration. Just sit and watch. Block off your time and give it a chance. So give it a go. Anyway, thank you.